something with you that become of me last night. I want to tell you guys, our roads, it's about our roads. Our roads are so terrible, man. Terrible. You know, we were on the road last night and we're dropping our hole, dropping our pothole, or I should say, I should have dropping our river. The rain and fall, but the whole length on the road, on some part of the road, in our corporate area, guys, they are terrible. We're dropping our hole last night, and I'm dropping the hole. Apparently, I broke my muffler line right up under the car. Right? I broke that part, which is actually a stock section of the welding on the muffler line. Broke it off completely, guys. And I just want to share this with you guys, believe me, the government, and rightly so, we should have our cars fit for the road, right? And I agree, because you know the government have run the country, so the country need money for run it. So that's a part of what the money comes from, which is getting our vehicle fit every year, pay it at the tax office, go down there, make sure so we carry them fit. Right, okay. But it means that the road must fit too. But guys, the road does not fit none at all. Especially in the corporate areas, guys. Every part of the, or most part of the road, them just bumpy and stay so and full of pothole. And I tell you, last night I come down and we dropping our pothole. I can tell you the pothole there. The pothole the upper Waterloo Road. When you turn down from upper Waterloo Road and you're coming down like you're coming to Mega Mart. As you come on the corner, you come off a Shartwood Road, you come on the corner there, the deep corner there, you book up in our pothole, stay somewhere you, and I couldn't escape it. I dropped in the pothole and apparently I broke my muffler. Right? So last time I have to jack up car and do all kind of thing. I'm gonna share it with you guys because this is it. It's terrible out there. So we need to get our cars fit for the road, but the road not fit for our cars. And we apply road license, we apply road license, we apply license for the car, we apply insurance, we apply fitness, and a whole load of other things, guys. And yet, we parts them on the car and mash up in no time because of how bad the road is. Anyway, but I show you what I have to do last night. You understand? I just so pissed that I never did do it. I never did actually start with it because I say, boy, what is this? I have to go to work. But you know what I do? Jack up the car and you know, I do my little thing. I'm not a welder as I said, but I do take off the muffler and do my little thing. So I did really pissed last night, guys. But anyway, my video part of it, so hopefully this can help somebody, you know. And I just want to show you what really are going on in the place. You understand? So with no further ado, this is it, guys. Alright guys, so this is way in the night. Just coming off the road, and I just want to show you guys what happened to me. These potholes are crazy, guys. See, I have to come jack up my car, get under there to pull off this muffler because I was coming on the road, dropping a pothole. My muffler broke right there. I wheel it back right now. This is where it broke off from. You know those bolt that bolted onto the header? Trust me, guys. I sprayed WD-40. I do everything. It was the hardest thing to pull. Yeah, but I get it pulled, and I pull off that section. It's still onto the car. I didn't bother remove it. I just pulled that section and that section, and I'm going to be welding this in the night here because I got to go to work tomorrow. So let me show you. Yes, so I had to pull the muffler from up there and remove the O2 sensors, the upstream and the downstream, and pull the muffler from that end. So guys, I'm gonna be doing that work tonight and get back my muffler up on there so I can go to work tomorrow. Yeah, so don't bash me if you see something that I'm doing wrong. Yeah, point it out to me. That can help me. I can learn from my mistake by you guys pointing out what I'm doing wrong when I'm doing wrong, because I'm not a mechanic, but I just do everything for myself and just to share with you guys on this channel. So that's about it. Okay, here we go guys. I am attempting to weld this muffler. Hopefully I do a good job. Okay guys, so that's it. I hope it's fine. Time to put it back under there. Alright, so I'll take off this gasket and I'll replace a new one. Yeah. To do it. Alright, coming now to install. Gotta get these muffler rubbers on first before I can start putting the bolting up. I'm just gonna try my best if I can make it work. I will make it work. I'll show you guys. See if I don't. I never wanted that, man. Yeah. I never wanted that. That now I can't see. Can you catch? Yeah. Let's catch, guys. All right. I'm almost finished here, guys. Just bolting up the back section, replace back the O2 sensors, and I'm all done. Alright, and then I just call it a night here. Yeah, so finish up, well up back the muffler, put it on, jack down car, go on the road, sort out. Sound good. So I'm ready for the morning, guys. And just be careful out there of them potholes, because as much as them want us to, get our car fit, have to have the fitness for our car. The road them terrible. Them not fit for our car, them drive on it. Trust me, guys. But it is what it is, It's good when you can do your thing. thank you again for watching the video. I hope this helps someone, and you just take care out there on the road, guys.